Hi everyone, my name is Ratiba. The study is predicting the using tablet in motivate student practice in solving chemistry problem in classroom. Introduction: technology in education plays an important part in all levels of teaching, owing to an upsurge in the use of the internet and especially in the use of a handheld electronic device. Tablets provide user with the ability to study and discover information everywhere and at any time. Therefore, many researchers have studied and investigated the application of tablet for education to expand teaching strategy to meet the 21st century students' requirement. Instructors have been investigated the possibility of engaging tablets since the early entrance of this instructional device. The research question that I'm interested to explore: will the use of tablet in chemistry subjects help to motivate students as they practice solving chemistry problems? Literature review: there are a lot of studies that have discussed the impact of implementation of technology generally and using tablet specifically, and most of them get a positive result about using tablet, also get good feedback how to improve application through tablet. Method: the research conduct the data from Elite International School, one of the 7 private international schools in Yanbu city in Saudi Arabia. The data sets consisted of 42 students in grade 10. Variables: the independent variable of this study was using a tablet to solve chemistry problems, and the dependent variable is the students attempting to solve the problems. Procedure is descriptive statistic and a sample linear regression. The result: a sample linear regression was collected to predict engagement of students in the chemistry activity based on using tablet. R square equal 0.712. That means 70% of engagement of students can predict by using tablet in solving chemistry problem activity, that we can get from table 1 and 2. Table 1 shows that engagement of students in chemistry activity increased 1.628 for each student who used a tablet. That indicates using a tablet was a statistically significant predictor of variable. Also, students predict use tablet in chemistry activity is equal to y hat 91.127. And for students who didn't use tablet, y hat 74.950, where students who didn't use tablet were coded as 0, and the students who used a tablet were coded as 1. The engagement to a student in chemistry activity was measured by the number of problems each student could solve correctly. In table 3, we see that the spirit of the residual seems to increase with the value of x. Discussion: the researcher wants to find impact of using tablet in classroom for students' engagement. The study showed that 70% of student engagement could be predicted by using tablet in solving chemistry problem. That is a great predictor. The engagement of a student in chemistry activity increased 1.628 for each student who used tablet, and that is supported by a number of research such as Wang, Shen, Nasser, Schnackenberg, who have reported that tablet play an effective role in motivating students to participate in different activities. In addition, the student who used the tablet in chemistry activity is equal to y hat 90.050. Also, the students who didn't use tablet, y hat 74.773, as I mentioned before. Also, the result explain the impact of using tablet is motivating students toward learning. This is the same outcome to Conan and Sinigar and Cochrane found from their studies. which conclude that students' participation and enjoyment that integrated technology is higher than their average without using it. In addition, the positive relationship of the residual indicates that students' engagement increase with usage of tablet to solve chemistry problem. This indicates that using tablet not only fit into the patterns of learners, but also attract their attention and gives them an opportunity to discover their ability, as Schreckenberg. Conclusion: the study showed the positive result for the implementation of tablets in classroom setting. This technology helps learners to discover, influence, and examine existing knowledge. In addition, it aids them in interacting with their fellow learners and educators everywhere across the globe. It's also worth noting that the application of mobile apps on tablet offers educators an unprecedented opportunity to provide individualized and authentic schooling that caters to each learner's strengths, weaknesses, learning style, and needs. Thank you.